Hello. In this video, we're going to go over condensing logarithms. So in this, what we need to remember are the few formulas that we have. When I see a log of x plus the log of y, what that really means is that we have log of x times y. If I see the log of x, let's make that a little more clear. If I see the log of x minus the log of y, that's going to be division of the first one on the numerator, the second one on the denominator. So the minus pushes that to the denominator. Then lastly, what we have is a number in front or a coefficient of a log. And that guy just becomes the coefficient. So we can see this becomes log x to the power of a. Make sure that's a little neat. All right, cool. So now we have two examples that we're going to go through really fast. We're going to rewrite just so it's a little bigger and a little clearer, and we'll change to blue. So 2 log base 4 of x minus 6 log base 4 of y. So now it's an important thing that we talk about is these logs need to have the same base if we are going to condense them. That is very important for all of these rules. So what we see first are the coefficients. I see a 2 and a 6 in front of these logs. So I'm going to bring those to the top. Those become my exponents. I rewrite log of 4, log base 4 x squared now, minus log base 4 y to the 6. Lastly, we take a look at this sign right here because I want to condense this so there's only one logarithm. Okay, well, I know minus is really just division. I can rewrite that. So I can rewrite this now as log base 4 of x squared all over y to the 6. And that is the condensed version of this logarithm. So easy stuff. Let's do another one really fast. And push this over here. Number 2. So again, we're going to rewrite the ln are the same rules as log because it just has a base of e. So the first thing I see is I have coefficients. I see a 6 in front of the first ln. I see a 1/2 in front of the second ln. I'm going to now bring those as my exponents as our third theorem there. So ln of x to the power of 6 plus ln of y to the 1/2 power. Now I want to condense it so it's one logarithm, and we know addition is really just multiplication. So what we can rewrite this as ln to the 6 times y to the 1/2, or rewrite it just so it's cleaned up, y to the 1/2. Oops. Now, if your teacher prefers that to be in a square root, you can rewrite it ln x to the 6 square root of y and put that in parentheses just to make the argument obvious. So that is how we condense logarithms given what we have in our rules to the right. If you have any other specific questions on how to condense these, please let me know and just shoot me an email. Other than that, I hope everyone has a great day.